Want to convert a PDF file to editable Word, Excel or PowerPoint file? Well, today I will show you all how to convert a file like Microsoft Word, Excel or PowerPoint to a PDF file and how to make editable PDF file. And to do that, I will be using best free PDF editor software. Hey, it's Akhil from WM Originals and today I will do a SwifDoo PDF review and tutorial, the best free PDF editor software. But before I start, if you are new to WM Originals, do subscribe and hit bell icon so that you are notified when I post new videos. Let's start this video and know how to convert PDF to different file formats. SwifDoo PDF is all-in-one free PDF software and has all the PDF tools you need to manage your PDF documents. With this, you can create, convert, compress, merge and sign PDF documents in a blink of an eye. Let's give it a try, and for that click on free download. Download starts and once done, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation and once done, click on this to open. Here it is, SwifDoo PDF editor. So clean and simple UI to get started with. Here on left side we have option to create a PDF, open a PDF file, and next from here we can change settings for SwifDoo PDF editor. And here we have SwifDoo PDF tools. We can edit PDF, convert PDF to Word, convert PDF to image, can also merge PDF files, can also split PDF files, and next we have compress PDF. This can be very useful as we do require files of low size in KB to upload them on various websites for jobs and verification process. Now let's convert a PDF file to Word, and for that let's click on PDF to Word. Here it opens up SwifDoo converter. On left we have different SwifDoo PDF tools. This can not only convert PDF to Word but can also convert PDF to Excel, can convert PDF to PPT, also converts PDF to image, PDF to scanned copy, PDF to CAD, PDF to HTML. Not only this, we can also convert Office documents, like we can convert Word to PDF, Excel to PDF or PowerPoint to PDF. It can also convert image to PDF file, and then we will have our conversion history at SwifDoo PDF editor. Some awesome PDF tools to use. Let's select a PDF file and convert that to editable Word file. We can simply drag and drop a PDF file or can also click on add file to open Windows file picker. Selecting this resume of mine to convert it to editable Word. Once imported in SwifDoo PDF editor, we can choose output format. It's selected as docx. Let's not change it. Can also change output path from here. Let's select desktop. After that, click on start to start converting our PDF file to Word file. Once completed, here it automatically opens our Word file. This is now converted to 100% editable Word file. We can make changes to it if we want to. The page orientation and everything is at their original place. So smooth and fantastic work from SwifDoo PDF editor. This is how easily you can also convert your PDF file to editable Word file. SwifDoo PDF editor can do much more than just converting a PDF file to different formats. So which feature of SwifDoo PDF editor you like most and which one you will like me to cover in next video? Do share your views and feedback in comments. SwifDoo PDF editor is best free PDF editor which comes with 7 days free trial, and if we create SwifDoo PDF account, we can keep using it for 30 days. You may say, what happens after 30 days? Well, if you really like using SwifDoo PDF editor, I will highly recommend you to upgrade to premium plans. So let's talk about plans, and for that, moving back to official website of SwifDoo PDF editor. Here at top, click on pricing. Now here we have different pricing plans for SwifDoo PDF editor. Monthly subscription starts at just $8, which is currently at 60% discount. Can also get annual subscription for $41 at 40% discount, and then there is perpetual plan for $100, which offers around 40% discount for now. I will highly recommend you to try out SwifDoo PDF editor, and if you really like it, you can upgrade your subscription to as per your preference. That's all for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Also, do share your views and feedback in comments. Do subscribe to WM Originals for more useful content like this and hit bell icon so that you are notified when I post new videos. Also, if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my new channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.